Silver bells, silver bells.
It's Christmas time with Maria Provenzano. And Maria is here making a DIY Santa cookie canister in honor of the Hallmark Channel original movie, Cookie Cutter Christmas, which, by the way, I cannot wait to see, Maria.
No.
This can make a great holiday gift.
Oh, look at Erin Creco. I love her.
Oh, was Erin?
Yeah, I still post
I know.
her.
She's so great.
I know,
She's one of our
she's so
favorites.
great.
So this is a great addition to any party. This is a great gift to give to someone if you're making cookies.
Oh, wait, let me
for
be the
holidays.
test of that. Make sure I can get...
You can...
No, I can't get... If I grab cookies...
Yeah, because you got your hand caught in the cookie jar. You see that?
Okay.
Always.
All right.
Again, a little delayed.
But yeah, they are such, I mean, I love decorating. I'm sort of a holiday freak about every holiday, but I'm a cookie monster myself, and my mom always baked cookies, so I have to have them around constantly, especially being pregnant. So that was, you know, the idea of this, and to use things that are really simple. Like, for instance, these little nutcrackers are made with, this is an oatmeal canister, and then I just spray painted it, and then, of course, like the little head, I used a styrofoam little ball and then covered it with the Salu clay. Oh my gosh. And then painted it and like, these are toilet paper holders. These are things you can, have around your house. So they're really basic, simple things. And then, of course, these are, you're gonna see just how easy the Santa guy is. Adorable. You're never gonna believe how you do that beard,
All right, so how do we get started?
Yes.
What do we need?
Okay, so I got started earlier to show you guys how to do the beard. So here are the supplies that you need. And yeah, just a handful of things too, you know? So use some wax paper. And then this is just white yarn. I would like you to use preferably just cotton. It will work better than synthetic. Okay. And then so measure out how long you want the beard to be based on the canister. And then you tie it with just a rubber band, and you can see I'm cutting it there, preferably fabric scissors because they cut it a lot nicer. And you can see I'm kind of figuring out the length. And then the little mustache top to go along with it. And this is actually fabric stiffener. Incredibly, yeah. So then you just really want to saturate the yarn so that everything is covered. Use gloves, obviously, smush it around with your hands, and place it on the wax paper and shape it into whatever you really like it to be. And then it will, you can see, it will harden like that.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Out like that. I'm way too excited about the fact that this actually works, because it was like a brainchild in my head. So, and you can see this is what I did earlier. It will take, it can take up to 24 hours, maybe longer to dry. So kind of check on it, make sure it's not sticking too much to the wax paper, and like flip it over so that the other side dries as well.
Do you want a warm environment to dry it in, or a cool environment?
I mean, it's been warm out, so I put it out in the sun, and it will dry a lot faster.
Okay.
So yeah, but if you're, in the wintertime when it's a little bit, it's a little drier, it might be okay. But yeah, definitely just give yourself a day to, don't expect to do it all in one day. Yeah.
Is this the clay that you love to use?
And then, I swear, I do way too many projects with clay because it's so versatile.
Look
but
at
so, but you guys can feel if you want to hold that one.
It's really
that
hard.
is how hard it actually is, and it will stiffen up. So then all you do, so we spray painted the canister, and by we, I mean the prop department, because
it's just a jar.
Yes, if you're pregnant, you can't spray paint, unfortunately. Okay. And then you just kind of figure out where you want it to be on here. And then, don't worry if it scratches it up because you're covering it up. And then you just use your glue gun, and then this will stay on there with just hot glue. And so then you can really make the face however you want, I mean,
it doesn't have to be Santa. You can make Rudolph. You can do all kinds of things.
Perfect. Yeah, oh my gosh, you could do anything with this. And then what's cool about the beard, though, is that, here, I got it. What's cool about the beard is that, it looks kind of lifelike, you know what I mean?
Really
the three-dimensional aspect of it, and then I just do a little nose.
Could use a shave and a haircut. I mean, at this point,
I mean, hey, Santa's busy, guys.
He is busy. He's got a
and then so for the top, I have just let's see, there we go. For the top, for the hat, there we go. We're sticking right there. I just painted it red and white.
Oh, how cute! Just put a little ball on top.
And then you just do that.
That is such a clever idea. I mean, it's the packaging is so beautiful.
Yes.
That is the gift.
Exactly. So the packaging is definitely the gift, and then you just fill it up with whatever cookies that you like, and
or my chocolate bar,
or your chocolate
car.
How much would this cost?
About $10. I mean, depends on what you have around, but yeah, you
Not
can
for
get
the
away.
canister one.
Yeah,
That
the canister.
That's cheap, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, but if
and
you were to
can
go,
make some oatmeal.
if you were to go buy that in a store,
Exactly.
it would
If you go
be
back
so
there,
expensive.
I've gotten some before that are like way expensive. These are so great.
Wonderful.
Maria,
Thank you, Maria.
so much. Let's see if you can get his hand.
Yeah.
Once again.
Can't do that. We're gonna come right back. We got more with the family. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
We're gonna have to break the glass.